Want to create YouTube videos faster without recording your own voice? Many creators use ElevenLabs to generate realistic AI voiceovers for faceless channels, tutorials, educational content, and more. In this guide, I'll show you how to use ElevenLabs for YouTube automation in 2026. First, prepare the script for your YouTube video. This could be educational content, product reviews, news summaries, tutorials, or other types of videos. A clear and engaging script is essential for keeping viewers interested. Next, sign in to ElevenLabs and navigate to the text-to-speech tool. This is where you'll convert your written script into a voiceover. Copy and paste your script into the text editor. Make sure the formatting and punctuation are correct because they can affect how natural the voice sounds. Choose a voice that matches your channel's style and audience. You can browse the voice library or use a custom voice if available. Consistency is important, so many creators use the same voice across all their videos. Click Generate and wait for the audio to be created. Once it's ready, preview the voiceover and download the file if everything sounds correct. Import the voiceover into your preferred video editor. Then add visuals such as stock footage, images, screen recordings, animations, subtitles, and transitions that match the narration. After editing is complete, export the video and upload it to YouTube. Add your title, thumbnail, description, and other details before publishing, And that's how to use ElevenLabs for YouTube automation. By combining AI-generated voiceovers with quality visuals and efficient editing, you can streamline your content creation workflow and publish videos more consistently. So keep refining your process and focus on creating valuable content for your audience. Thanks for watching.